How to change the wallpaper on latest Samsung One UI 7 devices. This is my Samsung S25 Ultra running the latest One UI 7 version. So if your device running the One UI 7 version, you can change the wallpaper using this video. In this video, I will show you how to apply different wallpapers on the lock screen wallpaper or automatically change the lock screen wallpaper. Also create AI wallpaper on lock screen. So let's see. First of all, tap and hold the blank space on home screen. Tap the wallpaper and style at the bottom left corner. Here you can see the option. Here you can see the lock screen wallpaper and home screen wallpaper on your Samsung One UI 7 or any other Samsung device. To change the wallpaper, tap on change wallpapers. Here is the different way you want to set wallpaper or select the wallpaper on your device. Here you can see the feature wallpaper default available on your Samsung device. Gallery. Here you can select the photo from your device. If you create your own wallpaper or set own wallpaper. Also create with AI. Here you can see the generative AI. You can create the AI wallpaper using this setting. This is the different available category, imaginary night. You can see the different category to create a AI wallpaper or generate the AI wallpaper and set it to lock screen or home screen wallpaper on your One UI 7. Also set the photo ambient wallpaper that will automatically change depend on your weather condition. And at the bottom you can find the graphical option, different graphical wallpapers, different colors, solid colors. And the last you can see the wallpaper service. This will helpful if you want to automatically change the lock screen wallpaper, dynamic lock screen wallpaper or Samsung global goals. So this is all available option you want to set on the wallpaper as a home screen and lock screen, the latest One UI 7. Let's see how to apply it. Just select any photo you want to apply to lock screen or home screen. So here we select the default wallpaper like this in my device. Here you can see how it looks on lock screen home screen. You can also select this and see how it look home screen lock screen. Here we select only home screen option. You can select the option you want to apply. If lock screen home screen, tap on next. Now here you can see the how it looks on a home screen. At the bottom you can also add different frame like this. You can see you can easily customize home screen wallpaper or lock screen wallpaper in the latest One UI 7. Add the frame, your favorite frame. Also adjust object like this, different frame you want on your device like this. Also select the color of the background of home screen you want to set, and so it's quite easy. Apply the frame and color, go back. Also see the different effect you want: original, blur background, grayscale, background. So you can see the different background on your color on your device. So apply all these frame and effect and tap on a done when you want to set the wallpaper on your home screen and lock screen on the One UI 7. Now you can see changes apply to home screen. Now go to your home screen and you can see changes apply to home screen on your latest One UI 7 on all Samsung devices. That's it. If you like it, share it.